Hi and welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to play the absolute classic by ZZ Top, Sharp Dressed Man. So me and the Gibson are all ready. Go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. This is the bit we're going to learn. It's in the key of C. The song's in the key of C. So what we're going to do, this is the bit we're going to learn right now. It goes... That's the riff you hear through most of the song, and the way we do that, we're up here with our in what's known as 8th position, which means your first finger takes care of the 8th fret, second finger 9th, third finger 10th fret. So that's 8th position. Right, now what we're going to do with our first finger, we're going to be hovering over strings, the G string and the B string. And with our third finger up on the 10th fret, we're going to be covering, again, the G string and the B string. So what we're going to do, we're going to be, just hold this up to the camera for you. We're going to be playing down on the G and the B string together, play them as one, like that. So we've got one lot of that. Then we flip over to the 8th fret and do the same thing but on the 8th fret with our first finger. So we've got, and then, okay, so got that bit. Okay, then what we do, we move up to a sort of an F shape. I mean, F would be bridging the two bottom strings, but we're going to be holding down the 8th fret of the B string, 9th fret of the G string, and the 10th fret of the D string. So we get this chord, which is a C chord. So we got... Now when we play this chord, what I want you to do, I want you to play the D string and the G string together. If you accidentally crash into the B string, absolutely fine. We're holding the full chord anyway. It's not going to sound awful, but we want that kind of sound. So we've got 10th fret on the G string and the B string, 8th fret on the G and the B string. Okay, so this is the rhythm we're going to go with. Okay, so G and the B string, G and the B string, and then the D and the G string. Then what we're going to do, after we've done that riff, we're going to go... Now what that is a third finger on the 3rd fret of this 6th string, the E string. And then first finger, 1st fret of the A string. And then we're going to hammer on to the 3rd fret of the A string. So, okay, so you play the top E. And then you hammer on from the 1st fret of the A string to the 3rd fret of the A string. So let's put all of that together then. We've got... Okay, so that is the riff part taken care of. Next thing, we're going to be doing a bar chord of C. And we're just going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then down to the 6th fret for a B flat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then down to an F, which is the 1st fret. So let's go through that again. So we've got C, ba, la, la, down to B flat, then to F, back up to C, and B flat, and then F, then 3rd fret G, G2, 3, 4, C, and stop. Gonna da ba ba da da da, Miss Man, then C on the 8th, B flat on the 6th, down to the 1st F, C, B flat, F, up to G, and then to C. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm doing, I've showed you what I'm doing on the fretboard and the strum, which is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But what I've not shown you is I am actually lightly muting on the strings with the edge of my hand here, the side of my hand, not pressing by any stroke of the imagination. I'm just literally laying my hand on the strings. So I still get some sound coming out of them. If I press too hard, it'll just kill it completely. And if I'm not on at all, the strings will become unruly. It'll just sound like a cacophony of noise. We don't want that. We want to keep it controlled. So what we're going to do, side of the hand, that gives us a... down to the 6th, down to the 1st, 8th, which is our C, then 6th, then 1st, and up to G, which is on the 3rd. Stop. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba, riff. So there we are, Sharp Dressed Man by the great ZZ Top. How did you get on? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any requests for any songs for future videos you'd like me to go through for you. If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe. A big thanks to those of you who've done that already. It really means a lot and it's helping me grow the channel, which helps me bring you more guitar tutorials for the future. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. See you later. Bye bye.